Iya kan ni nado dewan ngatang ala frente. Kabang kerpat i gimasong sabar. Kabamut kinong song snow. Ki perlok non tribal jongi. Ki beton sabar. Jom ke jela mekela. Sneu baha what I ding ya kan ni. Don't add fire. Because if you talk about the issue of Ishamati, government is there to handle the situation and to take care that the citizens of the state of Meghalaya, be it non-tribal, be it tribal, the responsibility of the government is to make sure that both tribal and non-tribal are safe, and we stay safe. Not only safe, we walk and we grow together in the state. Amila, only different. Hadu mentani panyo. Let us see, maybe few days nang ni lah panyo. Then government ya selesai. But nila kerpa dulu ya ka government nampo West Bengal bakin take care. Kenapa kanun ta jing ya class ni dekan gono ke jing ya show ke jing ya dak ya lembaju kini ke bami ke isu. Nomor ku mau the fact remains ba. Nam tip balai lek telong ya kata jing ya lang rally la ni kan ni katai hang the apo khamat jo ke kala. Kabanga ngai kamdon ke solution. Tenrei ke solution kaum pumbang ong itu. Kim day ban skap than ya ki social media ki misu penni nak kleng nak tengah. Nomor balai you hakijing long riu teng kumdom. Rei an piu an hang nei pitwa ki ji sia kam dei ki ji sia. Tenang tahu nggak sebenarnya kita bencana ya government, we are there, but and we are responsible also if anything goes wrong, and then government of West Bengal is responsible in case if anything goes wrong over there. So therefore nangamut banong bangada kerpat, dakaba kia ya kitu kiperlok kibapen kibapen konsult. Ban mi kenika kenjalo ada problem dari ban mi kejing bomnya deh pedeng arteri ki government be it Meghalaya or be it West Bengal. Jika bangal kerpat kalau semua refrain nya kini keke. Namar ko mau pikan ni ke isu. Lat view on ha Bengal na ha Kolkata na view on ha Meghalaya na it used to happen. Kejing asyo edat katot be. Dan reba pinuan ra hadu kan isu banora sa the whole West Bengal, the whole Kolkata. I think that is wrong. Dan nara masuk banombang ada appeal. Begitu kita instigate, please stop and refrain from it. Kenapa ngopi ngilak ban don kejing sepuluh timur Korea. But lu lada pisang ban government cafe. Hakaba korting, lada hakaba maintain ya kan negolon that is different issue. Nengo opi from day one naduk bajia untuk haduk mentah opi nginung government lu ngisim kia. But kan don kejing kendu nakapor sekapor. But ya IT fully habang a district administration. Bahkan take care kenang baki ke kin don ijinjian Malaysia. Be the Home Minister of West Bengal, CM has already taken off this issue. But my humble request to those stakeholders who creating more confusion as far as the issue of Ishamati is concerned, kindly refrain from doing that, and please understand one thing: government elected by the people is there in place. The solution is not in Calcutta. The solution is in Meghalaya. If need be, the door is open. Come over to Shillong. Let us sit across the table. We discuss what are the issues, but don't make an issue outside the boundary, because I think that is not, you don't get a correct message or you don't get a correct picture at all. As I said you from day one, that unwanted incident has happened in Ishamati from day one. We are sure, be it tribal, be it not tribal, government is there. We'll make sure that law and order is under control and it should be as normal as it was before.